he, I don't know how well you can see him. He's got one right there. He's not too big. He got his interest. And then his big old brother over there got his interest a little bit. And then him over there. I absolutely do not want them to come up here and say hi. Alright, we're gonna leave him be for now. Oh, there's the big one. Oh, there's one just went in the water. Gotta watch myself here. So he's coming towards me. He's coming towards me. He's coming towards me. And he disappeared, so probably be a good time for me to disappear. Yeah, they're all getting brave now. They're all getting brave, starting to come this way, so yeah, it's time for me to make a hasty exit.